Y'all boys can see me, right? So chat, as you guys know, y'all can see me, right? Is the camera cool? So guys, if you guys don't know, y'all see me, right? I'm about to show y'all, okay? If you guys don't know, Ronaldo management team sent me a gift, y'all. Ronaldo himself sent me a gift. I'm not even trolling, bro. Ronaldo himself sent me a gift. We got a gift from Cristiano Ronaldo himself. CR7 himself. The GOAT. The GOAT. CR7. His signature is right here. His signature is right here. He gave me a gift, bro. He loves me. He knows me. Sui. Now we're going to open it live on like chat. It literally says my name, bro. Like chat. I'm not gonna show the address, but chat. It literally says. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all, bro. It literally says my name, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all right now, bro. It literally says my name, bro. IShowSpeed, like, bro, chat. This, like, bro, he literally sent this. Bro, chat. Okay, all right. Okay. I said, Cat, his team sent me this. All right, you know what? Okay, I might have just opened it, okay? Ronaldo team sent me this. Let's see what's in there. Y'all boys ready? Are y'all ready? Bro, why y'all seeing Cap for? Like, bro, he gave me this. Like, bro, leak. What did I leak? What did I leak? All right, are y'all boys ready? Let's open this from Ronaldo gift he gave me himself. Let's see what Ronaldo gave me. Y'all ready? Let's see what Ronaldo gave me. Now let's see what Ronaldo gave me for 2023. Oh, wait. There's... Oh. Yo. Sui! Come on! Come on! Come on! I feel like Ronaldo, y'all. I am wearing the same underwear that Ronaldo wears. This is the underwear that Ronaldo puts on every day. My balls and his balls are touching each other's. We did it, chat. We did it! We freaking did it! Put the W's in the chat! Wait, chat, there's more though. There's more in the box. Let's keep opening it. There's more in the box. There's more in the box. Let's keep opening it. There's more in the box. Bro, what is this? What is this, y'all? There's more in the box. Wait, it's a big box. Let's open up this big box. There's a big box in the CR7 box. Oh. So you saying I can smell like Ronaldo? So you saying I can smell like Ronaldo? It's gotta be fake. This has to. Oh my goodness. I can smell it. Yo, hold up. Y'all shut up. Bro, this gotta be one of the best colognes I ever smelled a day in my life, bro. This gotta be the one of the best colognes I have ever. Am I not Ronaldo yet? I smell like him. I have his underwear. Like, am I not him yet? Am I not him yet? Am I not him yet? Am I not him? Y'all don't. Chat, this Ronaldo, I really appreciate these gifts, bro. I love you so much, bro. It's really, like, from the bottom of my heart, I love you, man. Like, these gifts genuinely make me happy. I swear, I'm never gonna use all of this cologne. I'm only use this cologne only when I'm, like, talking to girls or when I'm going out. What is this, deodorant? No, wait, this is deodorant. No, wait, because I'm musty as. Is this deodorant? What is this? What is this? His own nut? He gave me his nuts! He gave me nut! Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! He gave me everything, yo! He gave me everything! Ronaldo himself! Come on! Let's go! Suey! No, what is this? What is it? No, this, Chad, bro, yo, bro, what is this? Zoom in. Chad, what is this called? This must not be an American thing. Y'all see it? What is this called? It says after shave balm. Chad, what is this? Nah, seriously, Chad, like, I swear, like, nah, Chad, what is this? What is this? This don't. It has a very odd taste to it. Very odd. Where do you put this at? On your beard? It's for when you finish shave? What? I only shave like my balls. Oh God, my hair is a mess. Ronaldo in the stream, but okay, Ronaldo, my fault. Let's carry on with it. Alright, now this. Okay. His soap. I even got the soap, chat. Like, bro. I even got the... Yo, bro. Yeah, you know what? I need more, bro. I need more of this. I even got the soap, chat. This is the soap. 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 Cologne. I'm Ronaldo. Alright, let's see what's else in the box. Let's see what's else in the box. Let's put this up back in the case. This is gonna sit right. Let's put that up right there. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Now I think that is it. Now I just have like a lot of draws. I got a lot of CR7 draws. And I have this shirt. And I have a CR7 shirt. Okay. Now. And I have a... I don't know what this is. Hold on, wait. Chat, what is this? One of y'all tell me... Chat, one of y'all tell me what this is. What is this? A bag? I know it's a bag, but what is it? Oh, it... Open it? Yeah, you're right. Let me just open it. Ronaldo gave me his own underwear collection. This is... Chad, this is the best, bro. This is like my birthday gift right here, y'all. This is my birthday gift. This is... Yo, Chad, this is... Chad, this is my birthday gift, bro. This is my birthday gift, bro. This is my birthday gift. I don't know what else could I ask for better than this, bro. I don't know what else could I ask for. I don't like chat. This is my birthday gift. But it's only missing one thing. And I'm going to get that birthday gift in a couple of days. Not even a couple. No. Yeah, literally. Yeah, literally. Yeah. Literally, chat. Literally a couple of days, bro. Literally, bro. Is that not the best birthday gift, chat?